This is SDR News and Geekazine.com's coverage of NAB.
HP storage guy Calvin Zito still here on the floor at NAB and talking with Phil Story. Phil, you're from XenData. Tell us a little bit about what you do with XenData.
We focus entirely on archive solutions for archiving to LTO for the media and entertainment industry. And so our customers range from, say, a small production guy with a standalone LTO tape drive through to some of the largest corporations in the world will use us for their main video archive.
So it sounds like you're addressing a broad range of customers. I assume you must have a broad portfolio that you're driving with your solutions.
We have a very scalable set of solutions. Okay. So at the entry level, take an HP LTO drive, connect it to a Windows computer, use our software to manage actually quite a big externalized library of many externalized LTO cartridges, through to multi-petabyte tape libraries like the HP ESL G3.
So you guys are more focused on software then to help manage the environment, or clarify for me what it is you do?
Well, we're fundamentally a software company, but to get the best out of our solution, we will typically supply on an HP DL380 Gen 8 server, which is totally optimized for the particular application. So actually we don't just deliver software, we deliver a pre-configured server, but it's actually based upon standard HP hardware.
Right, and I see you got an LTO cartridge in your hand, and obviously we just recently launched LTO 6. How's that helping you with your environment?
Yeah, I mean, for me, the biggest thing that LTO 6 does, it really it's just like another big stepping stone in the LTO generations. And basically, it takes the capacity from 1.5 terabytes to 2.5 terabytes. LTO5 was 1.5, we're now 2.5 terabytes. But basically what it does is for about $100, you have a storage medium that has got a 30-year lifetime, and it will store about 100 hours of HD material. So inexpensive, super stable, just a great storage medium for long-term storage.
Yeah, so is in your environment, are you using LTFS and your software is helping manage that environment?
We are. We started in this business 10 years ago. We've been selling these solutions for a long time. We're in over 50 countries. What we did back before LTFS ever existed, we standardized on tar. The thing about tar is, it's an open standard. You can restore your files using Unix, Linux, and so on. But what it doesn't do is it doesn't give you that file folder structure unless you do something extra. And that's what we did, and we started that back 10 years ago. We keep a catalog of the contents of each cartridge. We keep it on the disk on the computer that's being used to write to it. And then we write that catalog at the end of the tape. So that then means not only do you have something which is self-describing, but it's basically can be moved to another system, and you can access the data very quickly. So by going from standard tar plus a catalog, we were able to achieve 10 years ago actually what you can do with LTFS. But the great thing about LTFS is it's now the acknowledged standard. It is the way you do it. Whereas with tar, standard, but our catalog was something that was unique to us.
Right. So tell me then, who is your ideal customer? The guy that's watching this now and wants to know, okay, should I be talking to XenData or not? Who's your ideal customer?
Well, we have a whole range of ideal customers, and it's someone who wants to manage an archive. Maybe he's involved in data wrangling, who's got $4,500 for a complete system that includes an LTO 6 tape drive, our software, and so on, all the way up to someone who has a much, much bigger budget, who's got a multi-petabyte requirement, and they're looking for a almost unlimited archive for their facility.
So I know you're really busy here at the show and things to get to, so I appreciate you spending a few minutes talking to me. But before I let you go, where could people find you on the web to get more information about XenData?
Okay. The key thing to remember, it's XenData with an X, not XenData with a Z. So it's www.xendata.com, XenData.com.
Great. Well, Phil, thanks for the time, and have a great show here at NAB.
Thank you very much.